Hey, on the Sony WF-C500 there's the common issue that one of the earbuds is not charging, and I can show you my method how we can try to fix it. So what I mean, first just be sure that your case is fully charged, so you can plug here the USB-C cable and charge your case. When your case is fully out of the battery, any of the earbud will be not charging properly. Also, just be sure that your gold pins on left and the right earbuds are clean. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine because this is new earbuds, and if you are using them for like 1 or 2 years, there's like chance that you have here some kind of the greasy mark, some pieces of the dust, or any other mess. Also, just be sure that everything in your case is clear, and you can easily put the left earbud into the left side and the right earbud into the right side. And when they are sticking properly on the gold pins, you can find this information that it is turns orange, so it means that right now it is charging. So there's one method to try to fix it, and if it doesn't work, you will probably have to use the warranty for this product. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.